For a lot of people, the kitchen is really the heart of the home, and we feel that this range really celebrates that with the use of classic, sophisticated, clean lines. My name is Olivia Anderson, and I'm the National Marketing Manager at Smeg. We wanted to really complement the look and feel that House & Garden had established for My Ideal House. The use of the classic white range helps for the tones to match into the cabinetry. We've got a concealed undermount range hood, which is a classic example of sophisticated technology and design coming together. The My Ideal House is a family home. The Smeg Compact Speed Oven meets modern day family needs, so families are able to cook a beautiful succulent roast in under half an hour. The dishwasher we chose is a 6-star water rating, which significantly reduces water consumption. The Smeg linear cooktop that we used in My Ideal House cooks a lot faster than your traditional gas burners. Smeg are really proud to have partnered with My Ideal House in this project, which for us represents the ultimate in style and technology coming together to cater for the modern family needs of today.